can't play professionally anymore. What do I do next? There's got to be more to life than working in a zoo. I have no idea what I want to do in my life. Any ideas? Nin explains. Feeling lost, figuring out what to do with your life. Life can be monotonous sometimes, and it doesn't help that you've all got friends who know exactly what they want. I know what I want. Suck it. But you don't. And that's exactly why you're here, right? Some people have never known what they wanted to do with their lives, or are stuck in a rut in life and are wondering how to get out. So how do I figure out what I want to do? As always, there's several steps that you can do to figure out what's your calling in life. Number 1, remember what you like. It's easy to forget what you like when life gets in the way. Take some time to rediscover some of your past hobbies and activities. Chances are that you'll find something that you like to do, sometimes enough to make a career out of. Number 2, go on an adventure. Whether it's a day trip, a weekend, a long vacation, or traveling around the globe, the world is a big place with lots of things that you've not seen or done before. Seeing sights, doing new activities, having new experiences, or just experiencing a change of scenery might be enough to give you an idea or two as to what you want to do with your life. Number 3, reconnect with your dreams. When we were young, we all had dreams, but for one reason or another, our dreams got stamped on by other people, dismissed, or just forgotten about. Now it's time to reconnect with those dreams. And in this day and age, nothing's really impossible. And if I could wave a magic wand and give it to you, what would it be? Number 4, expand your comfort zone. It's time to get comfortable being uncomfortable. It's time to get out of your comfort zone and try new things and meet new people. If you always wanted to try something like, I don't know, dancing for example, now might be a good time to do it. I mean, seriously, what's the worst that could happen? Yeah! Number 5, you have the power. I got the power! Ultimately, you have the power to do whatever you want to do. Nobody can really force you to do anything that you don't want to do. And whenever you feel that you have no choice in the world anymore, just remember that I've got the power! Yeah. Number 6, ask for help. You are not alone. There's no shame in asking for other people's help. So talk to a counsellor or a trusted friend or family member. Let people help you. Because sometimes just talking about it might stimulate an idea or two. Number 7, when all else fails, enjoy the silence. Your brain has an amazing ability to figure out things on its own. So when all else fails, I want you to lock yourself into a room with no TV, no phone, no internet, and no distractions. And I want you to sit quietly and still for 30 to 60 minutes. Literally do nothing. You'll be amazed at how your brain will come up with answers and ideas when it's not distracted. It's pretty amazing that when you do nothing, your brain figures out everything. Try it, seriously, it works. If you found this video helpful, please be sure to like, share and subscribe. Download my free ebook from my website because YouTube doesn't do annotations anymore. And follow me on social media right there. But on a closing note guys, I've been where you are. And yeah, sometimes it can take a while to figure out. But once you do figure it out, life becomes significantly easier. Let me know how you get along, comment section below. I got the power! I got the power! Sorry. I know what I want. Suck it! I know what I want. Suck it! Being attacked by teddy bears, that's not what I meant by that.